listening, and we start. So today our lecture is dealing with just chair. Then here we have a camera. Okay, now I thought it's clear. I will just okay, now everything is clear. I will come here. So look here, the title of our lesson is Fraction and Division, pages 96 and 97. Samahan Bilingual School, Department of Math. This is the title of your lesson. Okay, we told that fraction and division, page 96, 97. Grade 6, boys, semester 2, Monday, 26th April 2021. Topics: fraction and division, page 96 and 97. Your math teacher is Murad Sultan. Clear? Now we start. You will open your student book and your notebooks at the same time. We can say that a fraction is let's say it can be written as like that: n divided by d, where n and d are real numbers. D is different to 0. Okay? Here, n is said or is called numerator. Okay? Numerator. The n is numerator. The numerator can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then this small d, what is in the bottom and on the top, it's called numerator. Clear? And d, it's called denominator. Okay. So fraction in fact consists of two things. What is written on the top, it's called numerator. And what is written down or below, it's called denominator. Now we will give you an examples for you. For example, 3 is the value of the numerator. 4 is the value of the denominator. So 3 over 4 is a fraction. Clear? Is a fraction. Then 1 over 2 or 1 divided by 2 also is a fraction. Why? Because the value of the numerator is 1 and the value of the denominator is 2. Okay. Then here also is this n is 9 is numerator and 46 is a denominator. And 13 over 14 also is a fraction. So at least you know that a fraction can be written as n over d. Clear? Where a is the numerator and d is the denominator. I will just check if it is shared or not. Okay, I will share again. I will stop sharing, then I will share it again. Okay, I will share again. Okay, to check if it's shared or not. Okay, I just close the files, which the files have. Okay, we continue. Now I told I will share this again with you. Okay, I go back to the lecture. So the next part, we'll open your exercise. Exercise 1, student book, page 96. The question is, divide 227 by 4. Okay. So here we can see I will use the repeated subtraction to divide 227 by 4. First of all, we will try to find the multiple of 4 which is near to 227. For example, 200 is a multiple of 4 and it's near to 227. So it will be 50 multiplied by 4, it will be 200. Then this one should be equal to what? 227 minus 200 gives 27. Then here, my learners, I will try to insert a line like that. Okay, we told that 227 minus is equal to copy, okay, is equal to 27. Then I will comes here, this is 27. Now I will search for a multiple of 4 which is less than 27 or equal to 27. You can see that 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So I'll subtract 24 from 27. 27 minus 24, 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the remainder is 3. So we can now, if we would like to find the answer, the quotient and the remainder, you just add 50 plus 6. It will be 56. I will write it as a quotient 56. Then what is the remainder? The remainder is 3. So this is the answer. It will be 56, remainder 3. Or also you can write it as 56. This is the whole number. And 3 is the remainder. And 4 is the divisor. So this one, in fact, 56 3/4 is called a mixed number. And this one, 56, is a whole number. And 3/4 is a proper fraction simply because 3 is less than 4. Clear? And if, for example, the value of the numerator is more than the value of the denominator, it's called improper fraction. But this one is proper fraction simply because the numerator is less than the denominator. Clear? Okay. The next part, next question. Now small b, you will try to divide to 429 by 7. Okay? By 7. Okay. Let's do it. First of all, you will try to write, this is example B, my daughters, in your student book, page 96. We have 429 divided by 7. Okay? You will try to write this as quotient, then remainder, and division. Here we start. I will make the long division method. 429, it's called the dividend. Okay? And 7 is called the divisor. So I will divide the dividend by the divisor. Then we have 42. 42 divided by 7 is equal to what? You can come here. 7 by 6 is 42. So, and here is 42. 42 divided by 7, 42 divided by 7 gives only 6. So I should write here 6. Then you will multiply 7 by 6. 7 by 6 is 42. You should subtract 42. Then 9 you will write it here. Okay, as it is. 9 you will write it here as it is, no change. Okay. This is 9, you should write it here. No change. Okay. Then we have 42. 42 minus 42, my learners, is equal to 9. 42 minus 42 is 0. I can write here 0, 0. Okay. Okay. because 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, and 9 is written as it is, no change. Now I will try to find a multiple of 7 because I will divide 9 by 7. I will try to find a multiple of 7, then I will subtract it from 9. For example, 7 by 1 is 7. So how many groups of 7 are there in 7? We have only one single group. So I should write here what? 1. Clear? I should write here 1. So 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. I will subtract 7 from what? From 9. Okay. Now I will make like that. I'll make that. So we have 9 minus 7 gives 2. So this one is called the remainder. This one is the division. This is the dividing and this is the quotient. So as a conclusion, the answer 429 divided by 7 is 61 because the quotient is 61. 2 over 7. 2 over 7 is a proper fraction simply because the value of the numerator is 2 is less than the value of the denominator is 7. So you see this one, 2 is the remainder, 61 is the quotient, and the divisor no change. Clear? I wish that everything goes clear within my learners. We go to the second part. Here we have another exercise. Okay, we have okay. Okay, we have divide 525 by 9. You should write this as a quotient, remainder, and division. Okay, let's start. This is 52, 525 divided by 9. 52 divided by 9. How many groups of 9 are there in 52? You can come here. 9 by 5 is 45. 9 by 6 is 54. And here we have 52. And 9 by 8 is 72. So here I choose what? 9 by 5 is 45. I will subtract from 525 450. Okay, or from 52 45. So I will write here how many 5s are there, how many 9s are there in 45. We have 5 only. So I should write here 5. 5 by 9 is 45. I should subtract 45. Then this 5 you should write it here. No change. This 5 you should write it here, my learners. Okay. This 5 you should write it here. Okay then. Okay. This 5 I wrote it here. Then 12 minus 5 gives 7. 5 minus 5 is 0. So the answer is 75. Clear? Now I will try to divide 75 by what? I will try to divide 75 by 9. Okay? So I will just find the multiple of 9 which is near to 75. 9 by 8 is 72. So I should subtract 72. How many groups of 9 are there in 72? Only 8. So we write here 8. Then 8 by 9 is 72 because it is the multiple of 9. Then I will make subtraction. 75 minus 72 is 3. So this is the remainder. And this one is the quotient which is 58. Clear? So the answer should be equal to 58 as a quotient. Then 3 is the remainder and the 9 is the divisor. I can also simplify this more. How many 3's go there in 3? Only 1. 58, a whole number, you should write it here as it is. I will try to cancel the common factors between the numerator and the denominator. This is how many 3's are there in 3? Only 1. How many 3's are there in 9? Only 3. So the correct answer is 58, 1 over 3. Clear? This is, we told in general, this is quotient, dividend, remainder, division. Clear? Move to the second part. Okay. This one it will be next lesson, next lecture, inshallah. Okay. Thank you for listening, and see you next time, inshallah. Okay. Save. Okay, now I'll stop, let's say, okay, clear. Now I'll end this, end meeting, yes, okay.